Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how I made this delicious honey garlic lime salmon recipe. This is such a delicious way to make salmon. It is so easy and very flavorful. Let's get started. We're using about 2.5 to 3 pounds of salmon for this recipe. Season your salmon with salt and black pepper to taste. I'm using about half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Next, sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes all over the salmon. Once the fish is very well seasoned, set it aside for later. Then we're going to make a delicious marinade for the salmon. In this bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter into the oil. I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of honey, 4 cloves of minced garlic. Next, I'm going to add some fresh dill. I'm going to chop about 2 tablespoons of the dill off camera, then add that to the bowl. We're also going to add the zest of 1 lime. The lime zest will add a good lime flavor to the salmon. Next, cut up the lime, then add the lime juice to the bowl. Go ahead and mix the marinade together very well. This honey garlic lime marinade has a zesty flavor that is so delicious on salmon. Go ahead and pour all of that delicious marinade all over your fish. Next, allow the marinade to sit on the fish for 15 to 30 minutes. Then we're going to cover the pan with aluminum foil. Make sure your oven has been preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the salmon into the oven to bake for 15 minutes. After the salmon has baked for 15 minutes, you're going to take it out of the oven. And then you're going to turn your oven to the broil setting and allow the oven to heat up to broil. Take the foil off the pan. Then baste the salmon with the honey garlic lime sauce. Basting the salmon will improve the flavor and texture and keep the salmon very moist. Place the salmon back into the oven uncovered and let it broil for 5 minutes. And here's the salmon when it's all done baking. This will come out smelling so good. Your home will be bursting with flavorful, zesty aroma. This honey garlic lime salmon recipe came out very delicious. The salmon is so flavorful. It's so moist, it will melt in your mouth. You can serve this over sauteed rice or mashed potatoes. I'm going to serve mine with brown rice and steamed broccoli. These are healthier sides for the salmon and they pair so deliciously well together. If you guys would like to make this honey garlic lime salmon recipe, all ingredients and measurements will be in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!